I was just curious to know, do you have limitations on what you send out? The type of work that you outsource? No?
Could I respond to that?
Just everything?
Yeah, I mean,
Sorry.
no is the one word answer. The one thing I would say, and I think it's been touched on, if you've got to work out why you're doing it, and I think that'll start to answer a lot of the questions that are coming from the floor. And we, to give you a sense, I think we would have so we've got about 10 to 12 people in our core team here. We would have between 50 and 70 people on any particular day right around the world. Now, that's not just about wages, it's a lot to do with our velocity and driving it. But a lot of our IT build, I mean, that's in the US and the UK, and we're paying astronomically more than we'd pay anywhere else in the world, but that's because that's where the talent is.
Just want to add to that, we do have that issue, and it comes from clients. So there are some clients who'll say to us, look, this particular information can go, this can't, and that's an added challenge, I suppose. And we were fortunate that in terms of the system that we put together, we thought about that up front. We thought about it up front because just by sheer dumb luck, I might say, or the client saying that to us earlier on. So what we do is we pass over portions of the work which are acceptable as far as clients are concerned. So that's probably the bigger issue. Should clients worry about it? I would say probably not. In fact, from a risk point of view, and I think Liz and I were talking about this earlier, the risk is probably in fact even less, but there's certainly that perception. And the difficulty for us is we would advise clients in some cases, maybe you shouldn't be doing this because you're a government entity or something like that. So it's really important that for the organisation, again, the circumstances come into play. You need to walk the talk. You need to follow your own practices, I suppose.